This is my favorite breakfast, rich in proteins. Proteins are large and complex macromolecules that perform critical roles in our bodies.
To present proteins, I'm going to use some of my mother's jewelry. Each of these beads represent a building block of proteins called amino acids. There's 20 amino acids in total. Each of these amino acids join from a peptide bond into a peptide chain, and then these peptide chains fold into each other to form a protein. But for today's video, we'll be focusing on a protein folding type called a beta sheet. In peptide chains, there are positively charged nitrogen atoms and negatively charged oxygen atoms. When there are multiple peptide chains, these two atoms form hydrogen bonds with each other. And with this group of peptide chains, we create a beta sheet. However, these beta sheets can be troublesome when they're stacked upon each other. And when they do, they create amyloid fibrils. These amyloid fibrils can contaminate other proteins to join the amyloid fibril, and they can enter brain tissue as well. These amyloid fibrils are associated with neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. But with breakthrough research done by David Baker Lab and his colleagues at the University of Washington, hope is created to treat these diseases caused by amyloid fibrils through the design of amyloidogenic peptide traps. These traps are artificial proteins with an empty slot to attach to beta sheets to prevent growth. In their experiment data, it showed that when you put this trap onto an amyloid fibril, it prevented growth. With this, we can hope to prevent neurodegenerative diseases in the future. It gets folded